small pantry. That's all I had to work with. So we recently moved into a new house. Our pantry has gotten overwhelming. I've had these gray material kind of cloth-like boxes from Target from my previous house, but they weren't super easy to clean, so I bought these white containers. They're light, easy to clean. I can still see what I have inside, but it still does create a boundary. Our kitchen is kind of dark with those espresso cabinets. I wanted to open up the pantry and for it to be bright white and clean. So here I started with the top shelf. I think the biggest stuff, or the stuff that you don't need on a daily basis, you can put up at the top shelf. So I started with my paper plates, napkins, and plastic cups. In this third box, I put over-the-counter medication and Band-Aids. Now to the right of that on the top shelf, I put all of my baking supplies. All of these ingredient colors were pretty neutral. It's kind of peaceful up there because it's all kind of in the same color scheme. For meal planning and grocery shopping, I wanted the whole grains at my eye level so I could see what I needed to buy. If you're wanting to get started organizing your pantry, I've created a little 5-page starter kit. This includes what goals you have for the pantry, a meal plan for the week, your grocery list, a pantry inventory tracker, and the supply list listing the things that I have used. On the left side is the stuff that's closest to me and that I would see first, and I put like the healthiest snacks, so raisins, peanut butters, and then to the right of that I have a thing of salsas. And then to the right of that, I do have granola bars. So in the far corner, farthest away from me, which actually does get blocked by the chip bags, would be like my delicious chocolate snacks. These would be like my Oreos, chocolate bars, and sweet treats. On the very bottom shelf, I put extras.